Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation? Solution from here. From what we have here, we can rewrite it as 2 raised to power 3, which is raised to power x times 16 as 2 raised to power 4 raised to power x equals to 140 on this side. Next step, this follows when we have a raised to power n raised to power n, which is the same thing as a raised to power mn. This here can write this as 2 raised to power 3x times 2 raised to power 4x equals to 140 on this side. Next step, when we have a raised to power n times a raised to power n, this same thing as a raised to power n plus n. Also here we have 2 raised to power 3x plus 4x up here equals to 140 on this side. For this here, we have 2 raised to power 3x plus 4 is that 7x equals to 140 here. That is, next step, take the log on both sides. Here we have log 2 raised to power 7x equals to log 140 from here. That is, here we apply the power law of logarithm when we have log m raised to power p. This same thing as p log m. This, what we have here becomes 7x log 2 equals to log 140 here. Then next step, divide both sides by log 2. That is, divide this side by log 2. Also divide this side by log 2. That is, here log 2 cancelled each other and we have 7x equals to log 140 over log 2. Then from here, we can express 140 as 2 times 70, which implies we have 7x equals to log 2 times 70 over log 2. Then what we have here follows the law of logarithm. When we have log a times b, which is the same thing as log a plus log b. That is, here we have 7x equals to log 2 plus log 70 over log 2. Then next step here, we separate this into two fractions and we have 7x equals to log 2 over log 2 plus log 70 over log 2. As this here we have log 2 cancelled each other here, one left here, which implies 7x equals to 1 plus log 70 over log 2. Then also from here, we can write 70 as 2 times 35. And what we have here becomes 7x equals to 1 plus log 2 times 35 over log 2. Then this also follows the law of logarithm and we have 7x equals to 1 plus log 2 plus log 35 over log 2. Then we separate this into two fractions. We have 7x equals to 1 plus log 2 over log 2 plus log 35 over log 2. Also here, log 2 cancelled each other. We have one left. That is, 7x equals to 1 plus 1, that's 2, plus log 35 over log 2. This, from here, we can write 35 as 5 times 7 This becomes 7x equals to 2 plus log 5 times 7 over log 2. And this also follows the law of logarithm, and we have 7x equals to 2 plus log 5 plus log 7 over log 2. That is, next step here, we separate this into two fractions, and we have 7x equals to 2 plus log 5 over log 2 plus log 7 over log 2. Then we apply change of base here when we have log A over log B. This is the same thing as log A to base B. This here we have 7x equals to 2 plus log 5 base 2 plus log 7 base 2. Then we divide both sides by log 7 by 7 here. Divide this side by 7. Also divide this side by 7. Yes, 7 cancel each other, and we have x equals to 2 plus log 5 base 2 plus log 7 base 2 all over 7. That is, we have the value of x here. Then let's check if this satisfies this given problem. This is substitute the value of x here, which is x equals to 2 plus log 5 base 2 plus log 7 base 2 all over 7. This here we have 8 raised to power 2 plus log 5 base 2 plus log 7 base 2 over 7 times also 16 raised to power 2 plus log 5 base 2 plus log 7 base 2 over 7 is equals to 140 on this side. Then we can rewrite this and 8 same thing as 2 raised to power 3, which is raised to power 2 plus log 5 base 2 plus log 7 base 2 all over 7. Then times also 16 as 2 raised to power 4, which is raised to power 2 plus log 5 base 2 plus log 7 base 2 all over 7. Is it equals to 140 from here? Then this follows on we have a raised to power 3m times a raised to power 4m. We have this bracket sign as m. This can be written as a raised to power 3m plus 4m, which is 7m, which implies here we can also write as 2 raised to power 7 times 2 plus log 5 base 2 plus log 7 base 2 all over 7. This is equals to 140 on this side. Then here, this power multiplies, 7 cancel each other. We have 2 raised to power 2 plus log 5 base 2 plus log 7 base 2. Is it equals to 140 on this side? We apply the law of indices here. That is a raised to power n plus n. Same thing as a raised to power n times a raised to power n. Then here we have 2 square times 2 raised to power log 5 base 2 times 2 raised to power log 7 base 2 is equals to 140 on this side. That is here 2 raised to power 2, that's 4. Then this follows on we have a raised to power log b to base a, which is equals to b. This here we have 5, then times 7 is equals to 140 on this side. What times 5, 20. 20 times 7, that's 140 equals to 140 from here. Left hand side equals to the right hand side. And therefore, We conclude here that x equals to 2 plus log 5 base 2 plus log 7 base 2 all over 7 satisfy this given problem. And thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps. Subscribe for more videos and turn on the notification bell. Share this video, give it a thumbs up, and put your comments. See you next class and bye for now.